same letter sound to be used as end sound. Now, one of the same letter sound is letter G, E, and D, G, E. Letter G, E, and D, G, E. Both sound alike. But how do we know the one to be applied? Now, it's so simple. For you to use GE as your end sound, it has to do with retain vowel A alone. Retain vowel A alone. As in, you take for instance, you have, look at this. Look at the pronunciation of this. H. H. 2. Image. Image. Look at this. This one is garage. Garage. Orange. Orange. Then look at this one again. You have passage. Passage. Message. Message. Bandage. Bandage. Arrange. Arrange. Now, what makes us to achieve the GE is because we've had retain A. Whenever you hear A, you use the sound GE. I hope you've understood. Okay, the second one is DGE. DGE. Now, for you to use DGE as your end sound, it has to do with change vowel. I repeat, it has to do with the change vowels. What do I mean by this? You have A, direct with E, direct with E. E and O. I repeat, for you to use DGE as your end sound, it has to do with change vowels, and your change vowels have to be direct with the sound, as in the change vowel A, E, and O. Now, what are the examples? Where we have A, you have batch, 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 catch, catch, and to E, you have edge, edge, play, pledge. To his and E, bridge, fridge. To O, you have large. In summary, for you to use sound of G, which has to give you GE and DGE as end sound, you have a rule for them. Now, as I said earlier, your GE has to do with retain vowel A alone, while your DGE has to do with change vowel a, change vowel as in a, e, o, where you have all these: batch, catch, edge, pledge, bridge, fridge, and lodge. With all this explanation, I hope you will agree with me that getting spelling will now be a convenient one. For further assessments, I think we can go on a dictation. Pick your pen and a sheet of paper and write the following dictation. Number 1, village. Village. Okay. Number 2, stage. Stage. Number 3, manage. Manage. Okay. Number 4, marriage. Marriage. Okay. Number 5, sledge. Sledge. Okay. Taking. Okay. Number 6, porridge. Porridge. Good. Then number 7, knowledge. Knowledge. Number 8, wedge. Wedge. Number 9, lodge. Lodge. And lastly, number 10 is bridge. Bridge. Thank you very much. You can submit your answers to my WhatsApp on 09019844563. 09019844563. Thank you very much. We'll see you in the next series. Bye for now. For more information, you can contact or WhatsApp me on this number: 09019844563.